Cannot drive without insurance. I'm telling you, you'll live to regret that. You get in an accident, the insurance company will pay their insured and they'll come after you for decades. I'm serious about that. 135 on the first charge, 185 on the no insurance. You owe the court $320. Can you pay all of that today? How much can you pay today?
The lowest I can pay.
Where do you work at?
Yeah, what do you choose on this?
So you're gonna plead on the no insurance count 2, you're gonna plead on count 1, the failure to yield. There was not an accident, right? To that charge of failure to yield on count 1, responsible or not responsible? And as to count 2, no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible? All right, I'll accept those pleas. Do you have the insurance now?
No, I haven't been driving that vehicle.
Ooh.
Want to take the points?
Oh, wait a minute. They didn't, you weren't gonna plead to impede failure to yield. You're pleading to impeding, right? Impeding and no proof of insurance. I wondered why they was looking at that. That was my mistake. So on count 1, to impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm gonna accept that plea. That's 150, and then I'll accept the plea to no insurance. 185. Oof. You're a bus driver and you're driving around without insurance?
I'm not now, but I was.
How much do you have today? Okay, all right. When can you pay the other 100 on the failure to yield? Can you pay that by August 17th?
Next Friday is, that's when I get paid, so this, not, come Friday, but next.
That would be the 14th, so you can pay by the 17th.
Yeah.
50 today on 945A, that'll leave you with a balance of 100 you have to pay on August the 17th. And on the no insurance, I can have you pay that in full, that's 185 by August 31. Is that good? Yes?
Yes.
If you don't have the money, call the court, or go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension, or you can walk up here on or before the due date or what have you, and I'll give you an extension, okay?
Do I just go to the?
Right down to the cashier now.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. All right. Akil Nadavalapil, Shine, 26B151205. I probably didn't do too good on that name, did I? Did I? What's your name? All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Plea is accepted, speeds dismissed, 150, you're all set.
Thank you.
Cashier into the hall to your right, okay? Good luck. Mary Evelyn Liberadsky, 26F246596. Good morning, ma'am, how are you?
Nervous.
What's that?
Nervous. Are you?
Why are you nervous?
I don't report.
I'm a nice guy, though.
So,
What's your name?
Mary,
Mary what?
Figuratis.
All right. You all right?
Here.
Okay, so you're gonna plead responsible to impeding traffic, right?
Right.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea. 150 is your total and you're all set, okay?
Can't pay that today.
How much do you have today? Anything?
$50
And when can you pay the rest?
next month. I only receive funds every month.
9, you could pay that on 9/7, September 7th.
I'm gonna be out of town for 30 days on this holiday.
You pay 50 today and I'll make the rest due by September 14th, okay? And if you need more time, you call the court, you can go on Zoom or you can come up here and I'll give you an extension, okay? Best of luck to you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Mm-hmm.
They didn't get enough for school.
No.
I thought they'd do a lot better than that.
Yeah,
Huh?
me too. Yeah.
Ralph Rudy Garcia, 26F246632. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Ralph Garcia.
you are going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, correct?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible?
Please accept it. Improper pass is dismissed. 150 is your total. Cash your end of the hall to your right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hickerson. Himasi Dahu Hickerson. 26B151228. Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Great. How about you?
I go sleep.
Your name?
Master.
I need your last name.
Hickerson.
You're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, all the way down.
All right. To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
It's fine.
All right. You got a prior on here. 160 is your total. Please accept it. Speeds dismissed. 160. Cash your end of the hall to your right. Good luck. Was that Max Clark look good?
Early.
No, I know. They haven't figured out his weaknesses yet. Right?
You gotta give me 40 games.
Huh?
You gotta give me 40 games.
Is Amy here today?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think she's gonna just come in.
She's still on.
No, Judge, she's not.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Judge. I decided to come back to talk.
About what?
Uh,
I don't have your file. You're gonna have to wait for me to get your file.
okay.
Heather, do you know what this is about?
I do
hang
not.
on.
What was his name again? John's right here. I can give his file to,
Your name again is what?
My name is Isaiah Moss, Judge.
Isaiah Moss.
Yeah,
all
I
right,
forgot to
John's
talk.
bringing it back down right now.
All right, you can have a seat and I'll call it when I get it, okay?
Thanks.
No problem. One of you guys meet with a police officer? Okay. What department, do you know?
Johnny, he was right across the hall, and he told us to come in here and wait in the hall.
Oh, must have been. Were you in the jury assembly room? Was it like a room with a lot of chairs? Okay. I'm not. Come on up here.
Thank you, Judge.
Isaiah Dwayne Moss, 267-843-774. Your name again?
My name is Isaiah Moss.
So what's up?
So what happened was I was trying to get it to do make it on time to do my test for my job. And I'm not a speeding person. I made a mistake and the cops pulled me over. So I forgot to tell you that, Judge. And I was thinking like what you asked me, and I am not tell you that. You know. This is my first time doing this.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. We all make mistakes. It's all
Yeah.
right.
I know you cut me off because I was trying to reach to you on my phone and to say, can you please reduce the fine?
You already asked me that. I can't do that. If I do that for you, I gotta do it for everybody.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, have a good day.
Judge.
Can't do it. I can't do it. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
This is my first ticket and I have no points on my record.
I know.
Thank you.
Jonathan Edgar Hardin. 26B150176. This is an informal hearing. Semi-truck driver on road, caught fire, no injuries, no other vehicles involved. Your name?
Jonathan Harden.
So you're going to plead to impeding traffic now? Is that what you decided?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, do you plead responsible or not responsible?
Fun.
Okay, I'll accept the plea. This is a commercial vehicle, okay? So it's $230, $235. You can go down the hall and take care of that.
I need a payment plan.
How much do you have today?
I got $20.
When can you pay this?
Depends on when I go back to work.
When do you go back to work?
Say, you mean like 1 month, a month, man.
Okay, by September the 7th. If you don't have the money, you call the court. We'll go on Zoom if you know how to operate Zoom, or you can drive back up here and I'll give you an extension. Just don't ignore me if you don't have the money, okay?
Yes, sir.
Judge, can we make
235.
can we make the due date, I'm sorry, the 8th, just, we're closed on the 7th?
Oh, is that Labor Day?
Yes,
September 8th, okay?
thank you.
September 8th. Good
Thank
luck. Thank you. All right, people against. Nicholas Reed, 26T648921. Your name, sir?
Nicholas, sir.
All right, what's going on? Did you graduate?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing now?
I work at a restaurant. I clean tables and I'm an online school for electrician.
Good. You're going to plead to impeding?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted. Speed's dismissed, 150. Go right down the hall and take care of that. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Marco and Gundick, 26 T-Sec 648958. Your name?
What's your name?
Your name?
Mark Gundick.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Do you need me to keep my voice up?
Yeah, I'm hard to hear sometimes.
Okay, so you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Correct.
He's got to put something else on here, John. Take this back to Sergeant Berners, please. Have a seat right behind you, right at the table there. He's there to break down minor damage. Xinyu Wang. 26T648967. Your name?
Singing well.
Why are you driving so fast at Elizabeth Park? You can't go 37 at Elizabeth Park.
Yeah, I know. I was looking for my friend, so I didn't pay attention.
That's pretty quick. There's a lot of pedestrians there. You got to be careful. They're going to give you impeding traffic. It looks like you got a clean record.
Yes,
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
Please accepted, 150, cashier end of the hall to your right. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck. Right down the hall. Thank you. Mark Gundick, 260-648-958. You're going to, your name?
Mark Gundy.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Right.
Responsible or not responsible?
Sponsor.
Says no toes, no injuries, 195. The original charge is dismissed. You're all set. Best of luck. Thank you. Have a good day. You had a younger brother, right?
Damien, and I have a brother named Emmett. Emmett and Damien. Emmett passed away last year.
Oh, geez.
My son, Matthew.
I went to school with one of your brothers.
I think graduated with Emmett.
I got out in 76, high school.
Emmett.
That's
You
Damien.
graduated Kevin Nash and all those guys?
No, he was 1 year after me, but he went to Aquinas.
Yeah, he went and played basketball.
Right.
Damien, he's
Last time I saw him
66.
was on John Wick.
Okay. You guys have a great day.
You too.
Take care. I'm sorry about your son. I really am. It's terrible.
Yeah. See.
You know my son Matthew though.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
you
met
met
school
high
in
school.
courts, you know.
Okay. Take care. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Good luck. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't do this on this one. So you can either, John, take it back to him. Tell him I can't take impeding. If he wants to reduce it to a 1-pointer, I'll do that, okay? You're gonna go back and talk to him, okay? Richard Lamphere, 260-843-510. Your name, sir?
Rich Lanfear.
You're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, correct?
Correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Responsible. Please accept it. Speed's dismissed. 160 is your total.
Okay.
Cashier into the hall to your right. Okay? Thank you. Tiffany King. 260-648-923. Your name? All right, so you're gonna plead responsible to impeding traffic, true? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea, 150. How much do you have today? When can you pay this?
Friday?
Okay, I'll just give you until August the 10th, okay? Oh, that's a week from today, all right?
You want to get legal?
Well, I thought you said you could pay Friday.
Not all of it, sir.
Tell me how much you can pay and when.
Half of it maybe?
Okay. $75 due by August 10. When can you pay the rest?
Next Friday, the following Friday. Sorry, I'm just a little nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Just a little frustrated, that's all.
$75 by August 10th. Can you pay the balance by August 17th? Okay, and if you need more time, no problem. Come in and talk to me, or you can call the court if you know how to operate Zoom. We'll give you an extension. I'll give you an extension, okay? All right, best of luck. Emmanuel Cargile, 26W843-762. All right, your name? You're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right? They're gonna dismiss the distracted. All right, to that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you got 2 prior entries on there within the last 5 years. 170 is your total. I'll dismiss the distracted, okay? Cashier into the hall to your right, Sean Finnegan. August 17th, August the 10th, okay? Can you pay by next Monday?
Yeah.
Okay, August 10th. Sean Finnegan. 26T64890 Your name? Holding a handheld device. You can't do that. You're gonna plead impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Can't do that.
Yes, sir.
$200 is your total. You can go down the hall and pay that, all right?
Thank you.
Good luck. Martinez. People against, Lori Ann Martinez, 26T6497008.
Good morning,
Good morning to you. Your name?
Laura Martinez.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea. 150 is your total and you're all set, okay? Best of luck. Gavin Swan. Gavin Swan. 260-648-489. He failed to appear. He's responsible as charged by default. Mark Allen Grant. Mark Allen Grant. 26W843-644. Your name? You're going to plead to prohibited parking, correct? Responsible or not responsible to that? I'll accept the plea. $85 and you're all set. Yeah, sure. How you doing?
I'm good. It was Mike Toto. He didn't know.
Oh, jeez. Take care. All right. Hannah Reed. 26W843-741. How you doing, Ms. Reed?
I'm good, how are you?
Come on up here. Your name?
Henry.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible? 170. You're all set.
Thank you.
Cashier into the hall to your right, and I will dismiss your speeding charge. Heather Krajewski. 26W84360. Your name?
Other great Steve.
Got to be careful. All right, you're gonna plead impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you check around here, please, on the guidance system? To that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, $215, cashier into the hall to your right, and you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Maya Caruso, 26W73736. He has that file, that's now fit file, right?
I gave it to him.
Your name?
I'm Maya, so
You're gonna plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
Please accept it. Speeds dismissed 150 and your cashier in the hall, okay? Good luck. Diana Kelly? I'm sorry, Vivette Kelly, 26W843-567. You plead the prohibited parking? Is that what he says?
Yes,
Your name?
doing Kelly.
And I'm not gonna reduce the fine, I mean, I can't. That's what the intent was, you were speeding, right? Got you going 40 and a 25. The intent of, your name,
Lieutenant Dave Pillar, what
the intent of giving her prohibited parking is what? I'm not gonna reduce the fine to 85 bucks.
Okay. I was just trying to find something that was a non-moving violation new to the area.
I mean, impeding's a non-moving violation. I mean, it's not even gonna get reported, right?
You're right, Your Honor, yeah.
I mean, I'll give you prohibited parking, but I'm still gonna charge you 150, okay? So to the charge of prohibited parking, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm gonna accept the plea, dismiss the original charge. So the plea is accepted, prohibited parking, the impeding's dismissed, 150 is your total. We're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Rhonda Valdez, 26B151237. I just can't give you impeding with your record, young lady. I can't do OWI. I'm gonna call it a drunk driving. I can't bend rules like this. You got another one in 26, you got another one in 21, you got four.
Another what? Drunk driving?
You got 4 moving violations, including the impaired in 2020. That doesn't qualify you for impeding traffic, so I'm not doing it. So you can either go to hearing on this, or you can plead the speeding 1 to 5 over, which is a 1-pointer.
Yeah, I'll take that.
To the charge of 1 to 5 over, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
All right, 170 is your total. You can go down the hall and take care of that. And I'm dismissing the improper pass. Okay, good luck. Abbas Ismail, 26W84375 defendant failed to appear and is responsible as charged by default.
Excuse me, Your Honor. She wanted to request a payment plan, she forgot.
Can I ask you what was that?
Where's the file at? What's your last name again?
Right.
Probably still on,
JW.
Krajewski?
Yes.
Heather Lee Krajewski, 26W84300. Your name? How much can you pay today?
$40.
When can you,
Started a job.
when can you pay the rest?
Then,
August the 10th,
yeah, I can do that.
a week from today?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, because.
I mean, I can give you more time if you need more time. Okay, pay 40 now and the rest by August the 10th, okay? Have a good day. Turn that down. How, what is it right now? What's it set at? What'd you turn it to?
that. It's, wow.
Morning.
Thank you. Well, it wasn't that good.
They ran out Saturday.
Wow.
Yeah. People against Kevin Robinson, 26B151048.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your name?
Kevin Robinson.
There was no accident here, right?
No, sir.
Okay, so you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Sponsor.
All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. 160 is the total. The failure to yield's dismissed. You can go down the hall and take care of that, and you're all set. Best of luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Angelina Burke, 26 W843318. Good morning to you. Your name? So you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? Responsible or not responsible to that? Oh, you're a New Year's baby, eh? 150 is your total. You're all set. I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed. Good luck. You're welcome. Isaiah Moss, 26784. Your name?
Morning, my name is Isaiah Moss.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
That's correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted, 150. It says you need time to pay. How much do you have today?
How much? You give me how much?
I'm sorry?
I said, you give me how much? You said how much I have today, you said?
Yeah.
How much I had, like $500 or so?
Well, it says you need time to pay.
Oh.
I thought if you got $500, you can pay it all today, right? Total's 150.
150.
You can pay it then.
Yes.
Okay.
And I got something to tell you, Judge. Can you please reduce the fine and give me 30 days to pay because I just got a job, and please.
Wait a second. You just told me you had $500, right? Am I missing something here?
No, Judge. No, Judge. This is my first time doing this. Can you please
Slow down. Why are you reading? Just talk to me. Just talk.
can you please reduce the fine?
No, I can't do that. If I do that for you, I have to do it for everybody
I
else.
just got a job, and I should be 30 days notice.
Am I missing something? Did you not just tell me you have $500 with you?
No, sir.
You didn't say that?
I did say yes, but this is my first time.
Do you have $500 with you?
That's in my bank account, man. Sir.
Okay. How much do you think you can pay toward this today?
150, 150, Judge.
You're confusing me. You're asking me for time to pay, but you told me you can pay 150 and that's what the fine is.
I'm sorry, Judge. This is my first time doing this. And I was confused when you asked me how much I pay.
Okay. How much money do you have that you can pay toward this today? We can give you time if you really need time, but it sounds like you have the money with you. That's why I'm asking.
Are you asking me how much money I got in my bank account, Judge? I don't have any money, sir.
All right. Can you pay 50 per week starting next Monday?
Yes, sir.
All right. Pay $50 each week. Beginning August the 10th. That's a week from today.
Sir.
If you don't have the money, it's not a problem. You call the court, you go on Zoom, you have to initiate the call on or before the due date, and I'll be glad to give you an extension, okay?
Yes, sir, Judge.
All right, wish you well. Good luck.
I'm sorry, I understand what you're saying.
That's okay.
I was thinking this is my first time and my parents are not here, so.
Okay, that's all right.
And if you said I gotta pay, like you said, August 10th,
$50 per week, starting next Monday, August the 10th.
thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Ricardo Perez. 267842985.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your name?
Ricardo Perez.
You're going to plead to prohibited parking, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Responsible or not responsible to that?
Happening?
No, responsible or not?
Yes.
Oh, that's all right. I'll accept the plea dismissed to no proof, $85. Can you pay that today?
Have to get that too.
$40 due now, balance by August the 17th. If you need more time, call the court. I'll give you an extension, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck. Thank you. Bosman, Austin, Zane, Bosman, 26, the B, 151226. Good morning. Your name?
Austin,
What's your last name?
Austin.
All right, sir, you his brother?
No, I'm honest.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right, so you're gonna plead responsible to impeding traffic, is that right?
Yes, sir.
All right, to that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
How fast were you going? Why were you driving so fast?
I was attacking the passenger car and I was plugging my
You're gonna mar your good-looking face, you keep driving like that, okay? Slow down. 150 is your total, I'll dismiss the speeding, you're all set. Slow down, please, okay? Good luck, thanks for coming, sir. Let's just let them listen.
Just down. You met.
Better get with
Please, yeah. I was at the room. Yeah, the big call. I'm alone. The road shops over here. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Before.
stink. All right. Therese Swatolski McKay. 266-48927. Good morning. Your name?
Teresa was all okay.
All right. So you're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, correct? To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea, dismiss the speeding. 150 is your total. You can go down to the cashier and you're all set. Best of luck. You're welcome. John Taylor, 26W843. Seven one one, and then I have another one, 26W843-758. Your name?
John Taylor.
What happened? You get cited for two?
Yeah, 2 within 24 hours. I didn't know there was no parking. All the same.
All right, so you're gonna plead on the one, they're going to dismiss the other, right?
Correct.
On the incident 26W843-711 from the 9th of July, responsible or not responsible? You plead responsible?
Yes.
Please accept the original charges. I'll accept that plea, $85, and I'm dismissing on motion of the department rep file 26W843-758. So you can go down the hall and take care of that, and you're all set. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. People against Katie Fields. Katie Fields, 26T. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't do this on this one. So you can either, John, take it back to him, tell him I can't take impeding. he wants to reduce it to a 1-pointer, I'll do that, okay? You're gonna go back and talk to him, okay? Richard Lampier, 26W843510. Your name, sir?
Rich Lanfear.
You're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, correct?
Correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Responsible. Please accept it. Speeds dismissed. 160 is your total.
Okay.
Cashier into the hall to your right. Okay? Thank you. Tiffany King. 260-648-923. Your name?
Joe, me?
All right, so you're gonna plead responsible to impeding traffic, true? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea, 150. How much do you have today? When can you pay this?
Friday?
Okay, I'll just give you until August the 10th, okay? Oh, that's a week from today, all right?
You want to get complete total?
Well, I thought you said you could pay Friday.
Not all of it, sir.
Tell me how much you can pay and when.
Maybe.
Okay. $75 due by August 10. When can you pay the rest?
Next Friday, the following Friday. Sorry, I'm just a little nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Just a little frustrated, that's all.
$75 by August 10th. Can you pay the balance by August 17th? Okay, and if you need more time, no problem. Come in and talk to me, or you can call the court. If you know how to operate Zoom, we'll give you an extension. I'll give you an extension, okay? All right, best of luck. Emmanuel Cargile, 26W843762. All right, your name? You're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right? They're gonna dismiss the distracted. All right, to that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you got 2 prior entries on there within the last 5 years. 170 is your total. I'll dismiss the distracted, okay? Cashier into the hall to your right, Sean Finnegan. August 17th, August the 10th, okay? Can you pay by next Monday?
Yeah.
Okay, August 10th. Sean Finnegan. 26T648-904. Your name? Holding a handheld device. You can't do that. You're gonna plead impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Can't do that.
Yes, sir.
$200 is your total. You can go down the hall and pay that, all right?
Thank you.
Good luck. Martinez. People against Lori Ann Martinez, 26T649-708.
Good morning,
Good morning to you. Your name?
Laura Martinez.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea. 150 is your total and you're all set, okay? Best of luck. Gavin Swan. Gavin Swan. 260-648-489. He failed to appear. He's responsible as charged by default. Mark Allen Grant. Mark Allen Grant. 26W843644. Your name? You're going to plead to prohibited parking, correct? Responsible or not responsible to that? I'll accept the plea. $85 and you're all set. Yeah, sure. How you doing?
I'm good. It was Mike telling he didn't know.
Oh, jeez. Take care. All right. Hannah Reed. 26W843741. How you doing, Ms. Reed?
I'm good, how are you?
Come on up here. Your name?
Henry.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible? 170. You're all set.
Thank you.
Cashier into the hall to your right, and I will dismiss your speeding charge. Heather Krajewski. 26W84360. Your name?
Other great Steve.
Gotta be careful. All right, you're gonna plead impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you check around here, please, on the IS system? To that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, $215, cashier into the hall to your right, and you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Maya Caruso, 26W73736. He has that file, that's now PIP file, right?
I gave it to him.
Your name?
I'm Maya, so
You're gonna plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
Please accept it. Speeds dismissed 150 and your cashier in the hall, okay? Good luck. Diana Kelly? I'm sorry, Vivette Kelly, 26W8433567. You plead the prohibited parking? Is that what he says?
Yes,
Your name?
doing Kelly.
And I'm not gonna reduce the fine, I mean, I can't. That's what the intent was, you were speeding, right? Got you going 40 and a 25. The intent of, your name,
Lieutenant Dave Pillar,
the
Williams.
intent of giving her prohibited parking is what? I'm not gonna reduce the fine to $85.
Okay. I was just trying to find something that was a non-moving violation, new to the area.
I mean, impeding's a non-moving violation. I mean, it's not even gonna get reported, right?
You're right, Your Honor, yeah.
I mean, I'll give you prohibited parking, but I'm still gonna charge you 150, okay? So to the charge of prohibited parking, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm gonna accept the plea, dismiss the original charge. So the plea is accepted, prohibited parking, the impeding's dismissed, 150 is your total. We're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Rhonda Valdez, 26B151237. I just can't give you impeding with your record, young lady. I can't do.
From home, I mean,
Yeah, I don't,
you need some music?
yeah,
Back, Your Honor.
you know, you're the only one that would ever be able to get away with that. All right. This does not indicate that he's in treatment, however. It indicates that there was, but if I'm reading it correct.
Okay, is the one you have dated April the 1st, Your Honor?
It is.
Okay. I mean, it
So
does say his
basically what
history.
it's telling me is that he reestablished connection to the clinic on February 25th. However, they're unable to comment on his compliance, given that he failed to follow up with the urine screen ordered on that day.
Your Honor,
So
that's,
it does,
so
he's in
there's another
compliance.
document. I'm sorry, Judge. There's another document that I have that indicates that he did appear but didn't have the money. That's why it was not completed.
Is that,
This is also for Mr. Bellinger.
Mr. Bellinger has that one too?
Yeah.
Okay,
don't know
hold
if
on.
Mr. Goldstein has.
No, Mr. Goldstein is reading from his phone. I don't know why Bellinger has it.
Your Honor, his family's here and have.
Oh, and they're handing you stuff? Why didn't you tell me that?
Your Honor, I didn't.
You just were making it look like you were doing something. Hold on one moment, man. All right. Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
States that we didn't have the $400 for the drug testing that day, but if you look, we did reschedule it.
When is it rescheduled?
I don't remember the exact date. I went to the clinic today and they highlighted it to show like we didn't have the $400 for it and we needed to do that.
Okay, so I get it. So there was an insurance issue. You had to pay it out of pocket, which was 400. You didn't have the 400. It's not like you didn't have $25 for testing.
Exactly.
You didn't have $400 to follow through because of insurance. All right. Thank you, ma'am. What is your name? Because I have to have it on the record. Your name's Emily? Will that work for you? Okay. And your relation to, really? You're smiling about it. Oh, okay, never mind. What? Look at who? That's mom? Who's mom? That's Mr. Swo's mom? Okay. You like her?
Love
You do? Okay. I was just being nosy. It has nothing to do with my decision. So, what was his previous? Mr. Goldstein, what was his previous bond set?
Your
I
Honor,
think
I'm
he
at
was on-
home. I don't have the file with me.
5,000 PR.
Yeah.
And then to comply with treatment. So what I will do, I'll grant well, we got to set this out. You want this set to what date, sir?
Next week, Your Honor. Next Thursday.
I'll set it to April 9th, 2026, 9 a.m. I'll reinstate the defendant's previous bond of personal recognizance, $5,000. Follow all treatment and everything. You understand that, young man?
Sure.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case, People versus Manuel Burns House.
Here, Your Honor.
Standard.
No, here she comes.
Good morning.
And she was late today.
Gosh.
No, she was. She was
It was
just late.
rain,
She
traffic.
said it's because it was raining and that she melts. But that's what I heard from the whole conversation. But go ahead. I'm sorry.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Ronica Glenn requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Attorney Stephanie Cannon.
Permission to practice is granted.
Thank you.
All right. And Mr. Barnhouse has.
Right here,
All
Your
right.
And we're requesting adjournment.
You're requesting an adjournment.
Yeah.
Me. All right, stay right there, Mr. Baldwin. I'm gonna pass it. I'm gonna try to call another matter and then right to you, okay? Well, no, okay, good. Court calls the case, People versus Jerome Adams.
Michael Gianni, Assistant Public Defender. Name for the record.
Oh, Jerome Adams.
Yeah, I mean, we approach briefly.
Yes. Well, if we verify that, then I'll the court calls the case People versus Glenn Bradford.
Ally said on behalf of.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Bradford, who approaches.
Bradford?
Well,
And Your Honor, we are seeking an adjournment on this matter for purposes of negotiations, and I would also be asking to address bond. I do understand that he is out of custody.
so this could go south. Okay, no, that's fine.
Always.
Fine. I will adjourn it to April 23rd, 2026, 9 a.m. As to bond.
As to bond, Your Honor, my understanding is that this case was initially charged last September, then dismissed, and then at the beginning of March, and then recharged at the end of March. During that intermittent time period, Mr. Bradford and his wife began marriage counseling. My understanding is that she's here today and she has had an opportunity to speak with the victim advocate. My client, Your Honor, would be asking for his GPS tether to be removed as well as for contact to be reinstated. Reasons being, Your Honor, they are doing that marriage counseling. They'd like to continue to do so. And again, my understanding is that she's okay with the no contact being lifted, but I would inquire as to what Ms. Zinda thinks.
Really? You're going to ask?
I don't necessarily want to know the answer, Your Honor.
My role to say, is there a risk? That's okay, Bellinger. You keep wanting to go ahead. There's going to be a line today. He's going to cross it. You're really stamping on it. Ms. Zinda.
Spoke with her. She requested no contact to be removed. She said she was not afraid of Mr. Bradford. And I do understand that they are in marriage counseling, so I will leave it in the discretion.
I will add a provision of no non-consensual contact. I will delete the no contact as well as the no go to provision. And defendant's GPS tether may be removed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. You're welcome, sir. I did it for you, not yours. Wait.
Okay, so go over to community.
Wait, Bellinger. You never lower a bond. I'll pay you. Remember that case, Bellinger. Hear me, Bellinger?
I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
When you're up there screaming and yelling about, you never change a bond. You never, for us, never do anything.
When do I remember that?
Remember, do that all the time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That up there. Court calls the case, People versus Wardell Smith.
Ally said on behalf of
Morning, Honor. Wardell Smith, who's approaching the podium. Wardell, would you state your name for the record? Wardell Smith Jr. Judge, this is a PCC matter. I've had a chance to speak with Mr. After discovery. We're asking you to sit for an exam.
and Your Honor, here's your response.
All right, preliminary examination will be set for, will the people have their witnesses available the 14th? Set preliminary examination, April 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Moore.
Judge,
Yeah.
may I address bond?
Well, both of you want to address bond.
I think I should go first.
Why is that?
Because I know what she's gonna say, so I want to beat her to the punch.
Okay, go,
Judge, no, not to be facetious, but
Oh.
my understanding, he's got a $50,000, 10% bond. This is incident between he and his wife, a long-term marriage. My client is asking that if the court would consider a $5,000, 10% bond tether if necessary. He's the sole support of the family. He will stay away from the marital home as for now and wants to help work with his children. His daughter's graduating this soon. He wants to be able to be there. So what we're asking for is a reduction in bond.
response, I guess.
My attention that Mr. Smith has made, I believe, by the last check was 65 calls to the victims listed, number which we have had contact on for evidence for from his pin since being arraigned in the jail. I and for phone privileges and text privileges to your votes in those calls, there terms of giving I love you, made things like that. So it's a pretty good idea that it's Mr. Smith and would have to your vote this time for bond remain set, given that he has violated that bond.
Judge, if I may, I thought when I got the appointment, I was told he was out of custody. I did call the one number. It ended up being his wife. She then texted me saying that she would like him home. I told her I can't speak with her anymore about that. That's something for her to discuss with the prosecutor. But again, Your Honor, we're asking if you would please consider a reduction of bond and on tether.
I'm gonna deny the request. He's violating the conditions of his bond. Or at least an indication that he has. So I'll deny the request for any reduction in bond. Bond will continue. Defendant's phone privileges and texting privileges are hereby ordered for vote pending a hearing. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll come and see you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus LaShawn Charles.
Oh, no, good people.
Really? LaShawn Charles?
Good morning,
Good morning. State your name.
LaShawn Charles.
Thank you. We're waiting on your attorney Bellinger.
Okay.
I'm not gonna hear Miss Gaines. Where's Bellinger? Where is he? Oh, Pete, I called this case like hours ago. Oh, I called the case a long time ago and we've been waiting on you.
So sorry.
No, you're not.
I am.
No.
Your Honor, Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Ms. Charles. Hi, Ms. Charles.
Hello.
It's already stated her name about 55 minutes ago.
Your Honor, this case is currently with Victoria Burton Harris. I have emailed her with regard to a resolution. I'm just waiting on her to get back from her leave. She is back on the 6th, I'm told. So I would just ask for an adjournment past that date. We should have an answer at that
We
point.
have an answer by then. All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned to April 16, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Bond will continue. Thank you, Ms. Charles, and thank you for your patience in waiting for.
Thank you so much.
Court calls the case, People versus Tyler Watts.
An Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Watts in the case 25FB1347. And Sherilyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Mr. Watts in the case ending in 1734.
All right. What are we doing? Because I have a plea form in your case.
That is correct, Your Honor. And Your Honor, in my case, I just jumped into this case yesterday, so we were not able to get the paperwork in. I'm just asking for a brief adjournment so we can finalize a plea agreement.
On this case,
It makes sense. I don't.
Go ahead.
If we PD case today or we adjourn both, they could be on both. Sure amount.
is he being held on anything else or?
Yes, Your Honor, he's being held on a violation of probation in circuit court, but Mr. Watts indicated to me he believes he has a release to treatment on it. Oh,
That, I'm sorry.
but he believes he has a release to treatment on that file.
Okay. I normally wouldn't do this, but I don't know, Ms. Foster Tucker, are you, that's a guilty to a misdemeanor of some type? That what it is?
Yes.
And does he wish to do that? Or, okay, if we can. Okay, I normally wouldn't do this, but if we can get the paperwork in, let's try to take care of it today, get it done. Unless somebody has an objection to that.
Oh, that's fine.
All right,
No problem with that.
all right, so I'll pass these matters. We'll take you back and we'll get you out here and try to get it done. All right, young man?
All right, thank you.
Oh, another young man. Joe Simon. Huh? Yeah. Oh, good morning, sir. It's a pleasure seeing you.
As well.
Hawthorne said he didn't want to talk to you. He told me that early today.
Well, I can tell you that he never responded to my reach out yesterday.
See, that's what I'm telling you. So why'd you bum rush him like that? All right.
Responded this day.
Okay. Oh, all right. I don't want to get into that between you two. I'm done. Court calls the case. People versus Danina Combs.
I'm calling on behalf of Ms. Combs, who hopefully should be on Zoom.
Morning, Mr. Bull. Oh, well.
Awesome.
I'm here.
Oh, hold it.
All right.
Hold it. It's a phone call.
Yeah.
Your name?
Danina Combs.
Thank you. Phoned in. That's why.
Yeah, great. I'm glad she's here. Your Honor, I spoke to Ms. Combs yesterday. I also had some discussions with Mr. Children. We're looking at possible resolution options of this matter or these matters, if you will, and need a little more time.
A little more time. 23rd work for you?
Sure.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned April 23rd, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Bryant.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Bryant.
Simon, put that back. Don't. Your name, sir?
Man, Jason Bryan, how you doing, sir? Sorry to see you this again.
Oh, why?
Just in this context.
Oh, in this way.
Yes. I'm just
How are you doing?
not so pleasant.
All right. Let's see what we can do to try to get you through this.
Your Honor, I met with Mr. Bryant at the jail yesterday. We're just asking for an adjournment for some additional plea discussions.
All right. Why don't I just put it up 2 weeks, put it up to the 16th, April 16th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
I don't know if we can something.
He's in Zoom?
Yeah.
Okay. Court does call the case People versus Orby Huffman. Your name, sir?
Orby Byron Huffman.
All right. And Mr. Huffman, you're intending upon representing yourself?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, you said what?
Yes.
All right. I do have to again apprise you that you are before the court on the charge of assault of a prison employee. You understand that charge?
Yes, I do.
That is a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration, a $2,500 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
Yeah, I hear you.
You understand that there are difficulties when you are representing yourself, but I need you to be apprised that the court will treat you the same, as you won't receive any worse treatment, you won't receive any better treatment. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
And you also understand that the court will presume that you have knowledge of court procedure and court rules. You understand that? The court will not be in a position to assist you regarding any of that. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Do you still intend upon representing yourself?
Yes, I do.
I do have to also tell you that if at any time you change your mind and you wish to be represented by counsel, you just need to inform the court, and the court will ensure that counsel is appointed to represent you. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. What are we doing on this case?
I would indicate, I've just been informed by several of my colleagues that Mr. Hornings or Judge Conlon yesterday on a case where he's represented by David Burgess referred for a competency evaluation.
Oh, he was referred for a competency in that case? Oh. Given that, would the people be requesting that I refer for competency on this case?
Because at this point, there's a question with respect to his competency and we need to know that he is in fact competent before we vote.
Mr. Huffman, anything you want to say regarding that?
I cannot hear what he said.
What he indicated is that you were before Judge Conlon, that you were referred for competency on that case. And that then a hearing was set. I then asked whether or not the people would also be requesting, given that information, that you be referred for competency on this case to make sure that we can proceed forward. The people have made that request. I then asked whether or not you had a response to that.
I feel like I'm capable of representing myself.
All right, thank you. Given the information that has been provided regarding a competency evaluation, the court will order on people's request a competency hearing, a forensic evaluation. I'll set a competency hearing for
July 2nd.
July 2nd, 2026, 9 a.m. And Mr. Childers, I will need an order. All right. Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Huffman.
What is bond?
I'm sorry?
What is my bond?
Your bond in this case, as set, is $50,000 cash surety.
Is that 10%?
No, it is cash surety.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Daniel Haynes.
Assistant Public Defender Davi Lebo for Mr. Haynes. Haynes, can you tell the judge your name, please?
Daniel Haynes.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we'd like to set this matter for preliminary examination, please, and discovery is complete.
All discovery is complete?
It is, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 14th. Preliminary examination in both of these matters will be set for April 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
Thank you, Your Honor. I just want to briefly address bond.
Go ahead.
Mr. Haynes indicated to me that he was not able to appear previously due to a lack of transportation. I do believe that he would appear in the future if given the opportunity.
How can you ensure that?
He's indicated to me that he has made arrangements.
Any response? I don't need a response. Motion for bond reduction is denied. Certainly Judge Freshour can take that up at the time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Oh. It's one of those days. Court does call the case. People versus Walter Rice.
Being put the people.
Mr. Rubin.
Where?
Hey, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Hello.
The phone was.
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, sorry about that. Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff attorney, Maxwell Dubin, P number 86012, on behalf of Walter Rice, Your Honor, who is currently in Macomb County Jail and not present today. He didn't get picked up, Your Honor.
He's in the Macomb County Jail?
Correct, Your Honor. I believe he has a parole hold. I am figuring that out. I was informed about that. What I did want to do today, if it's acceptable, just, I guess, set this matter for exam. I believe he did have a PCT prior. I am in receipt of all discoveries.
I don't know how we do that. He's not here. I mean, he was in our facility and now not, correct? And you're saying he's at Macomb, but we don't have any indication other than what you're saying is that he's there. Well, here's what I'll do. I'm going to adjourn this out a couple of weeks. We'll figure out where he is, and then we'll figure out how we're going to proceed from there.
Okay, thank you. I understand. I know it's a bit confusing, so I appreciate that, Your Honor.
It's a bit confusing. All of your cases before me are. No, I did. Now that was so wrong of me to say. My apologies.
But still somehow correct, honestly. So I appreciate you.
16th, bond continued. Thank you, sir.
Have a good one.
You too. Court does call the case of the people versus Anjanae Cummings.
Veronica Glenn, on behalf of, state your name for the record, please.
Ajane Cummings.
Your Honor, our client would like to enter a plea. You should have the paperwork.
Judge, that is probably my fault.
I'm sure it is.
No, really, it was Deputy White's fault, Your Honor. When I tried to go.
You're just talking to stall for time. What are you doing?
But yes. Miss Cummings, could you sign this, please? They didn't, I tried, right? I didn't sign it. It's in this, discuss? Yes. Okay. You're disturbing the peace, okay? Today. And you're pleading guilty. You gotta tell the court what you did. But not yet. He's gonna ask you. Sign this one right here.
Really?
I'm sorry, Judge. So Miss,
Got blamed today.
because he was like, Stephanie, no. And I was like, right there. I was like, and there you have it. All set, Your Honor. Thank you.
I finally have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant was pleading guilty to the added count 2 of disturbing the peace, the 90-day offense. Upon her successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement. Is that correct?
That's correct.
That is correct.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
State your name, please.
Ajane Cummings. Could I say what happened?
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of disturbing the peace. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
You understand also that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Barr in the 14A2 District Court.
Yes.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. You pause. Do you have an issue with that, or
What court is that?
what court is that? It's part of my court, but Judge Barr is the presiding judge there. It's a court in Ypsilanti.
Okay.
Okay, you understand that?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty
Yes.
to that charge? How do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes.
Do you have any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
All right. On the podium, please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes.
March 5th, 2026, at the location of 420 Emmett Street, City of Ypsilanti, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Were you out in public at that time?
No,
All right, what happened?
I was in the house, and the officers got told to come in, and I was, like, I was running my mouth to them, disturbingly, and they was like, "What's going on?" And I refused to get arrested. So
Okay.
they had to put,
When you were doing all of that, at some point, it became loud enough to to
yes,
disturb the peace and repose of the area surrounding you?
yes,
And you could hear it outside at some point?
yes, because I end up going outside and,
And you were yelling?
yes,
Yeah, okay. All right. Ma'am, if I accept your plea and you commit misconduct between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of your sentencing, misconduct is defined under the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
yes.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Keep us satisfied.
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2, count 1. That's the pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14H probation. Sentencing will be April 15, 2026, 10 a.m. before Judge Fox. All right,
But if I could address bond.
fine.
I already posted.
I don't
Already posted it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
say yes.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I just,
Didn't see it on the. Yeah. Did you get out on the other case?
Yeah.
Perfect. No, never mind, Your Honor. We good. Thank you.
Thank you.
oh, I guess bond, bye. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I wish you could say, Miss Glenn, don't let her come back up. The court calls the case, People versus Eric Mayfield.
Andrew Childers, praying on behalf of the people.
I'm so sorry. Joy Gang, senior assistant volunteer here. Everything.
Your name, sir?
Eric Mayfield.
Thank you.
Mayfield?
You're seeking media discover.
Your Honor, we are seeking adjournment in order to get more discovery. Thank you for calling this case in the earlier timeline.
Yes, I see. April 23rd, 2026, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. Continue. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Larry Kasserer.
No, welcome to the people.
Brian Bowie, be up, Your Honor. Morning.
Morning.
State your name, please.
Larry Kazaru.
Your Honor, I was advised by Mr. Chavalowski that there may be an additional charge coming against Mr. Kasseru. He was looking into reaching out to the OIC to further information about that, but as far as I'm aware, there's nothing additional.
Correct. As my knowledge, we have not received updated information.
So anyways, we're asking for an adjournment to try to get that issue ironed out.
Probable cause conference April 16th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
The same. Court calls the case People versus Ahmad Issa.
Your Honor, Joe Simon on behalf of Mr. And state your name, Ahmed Issa.
Thank you.
Your Honor, first things first, I don't know if the court has entered my substitution of counsel. Thank you.
Yes.
And given that, because I just substituted in, I'm requesting an adjournment of the.
That's the only reason?
Your Honor, I'd actually request the quickest turnaround because the people got me discovery today. So I'll be ready.
What do you want? 1 week, 2 weeks?
I'm here in 2 weeks. I know that, and I could do 1 week. That'd be fine.
Well, I can do 2 weeks. You haven't gone through discovery with your client though.
That's true. We literally just got it.
April 16th, 2020. Right?
How tall are you, Teresa? 6'6". Oh, just.
And I wasn't gonna say anything.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Every time I'm seeing you, I imagine you flew. And thank you, Bond.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Thomas Kumasaka.
In control of the thing on behalf of people.
Public Defender Natalie Pake, on behalf of Mr. Kumasaka, who is approaching. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Thomas Kumasaka. All right, I have before me a plea form. Is that what we're doing?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's pleading, this form indicates that he will be pleading guilty to the count 2 charge of use of cocaine, the 1-year offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That is correct, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Right hand. Solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
State your name, please.
Thomas Kumasaka. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of cocaine. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. Stand that.
Yes.
You wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
That charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
Signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Question regarding those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5, you'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
I understand.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
I understand.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
Nope.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
July 1st, 2023, at the location at 2455 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Were you in possession of cocaine?
Yes.
Had you used it?
Yes.
Did you know what you were using was cocaine?
Yes.
Sir, if between the time that I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit conduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14:1. Probation sentencing will be April 29, 2026, noon, before me.
Your Honor, may I briefly address bond?
Right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Kumasaka is asking if the court consider setting his bond at a personal recognizance bond. He states to me that he's not on probation or parole. I believe this is the only current pending case in Washtenaw County. I will acknowledge he does have a Wayne County case where he's scheduled for sentencing on April 6th. He does understand that even if out of custody, he would need to contact probation to complete his pre-sentence investigation report and return to court for sentencing on the 29th at noon. Given the age of this case, we're asking if the court would consider a personal cognizance bond.
What else does he have pending? Because his bond was set at what, 25? Well, he was on a personal recognizance bond initially. Then didn't show up in August. How did he come back into custody?
I don't have that information in front of me, Your Honor, because I know he's been in for about 40 some days. Is that correct?
48.
And he's not being held on it, but there was a case that was already dismissed, I believe, that my client indicated, a paraphernalia case. But I don't know if that's how he came into custody or not, but that did occur since this.
Didn't turn himself in.
No, I do not believe so.
Did not appear, did not turn himself in. Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Douglas Crockett.
And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Payton on behalf of Mr. Crockett, who should be present on Zoom. There he is. Sir, can you please state your name for the court?
Need to unmute, Mr. Crockett. Thank you.
Douglas Crockett, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Crockett, we do believe discovery is complete to our knowledge. He's asking that this case be set for preliminary examination.
Preliminary, will the people have their witnesses available the 14th? Preliminary examination will be set April 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore. Bond will continue. That's an in-person procedure, sir, so you'll need to come down to the courthouse.
I understand.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, excuse me, Your Honor, out of curiosity, it's the 14-1A District Court, correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you for the information.
The best
Have a good
one. All right, take care.
Thanks, Mr.
you as
Crockett.
well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, throw that out. Court does call the case People versus Leonard Logan.
And then I'll be back. Your Honor.
Michael Gaddy is the defender on the end of the Logan.
Sir, what's your name?
Leonard Logan, sir.
Thank you. What are we,
We're asking for preliminary examination.
discovery is complete.
To the best of my knowledge, Judge.
No other witnesses available the 14th. Preliminary examination will be set April 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Court calls the case of the People versus Wilnisha Crosby.
I can't believe I have to keep doing this. Those words summed up the judge's frustration during one of the toughest probation hearings of the day. Tyler Tillery appeared before the court after repeatedly struggling to comply with the requirements of a sobriety court program. Before anyone else spoke, the judge made his feelings clear. He said Tyler constantly complained about probation requirements, questioned why he had to undergo frequent testing, and acted as though the court was asking too much of him. The judge reminded him that he had already picked up 2 alcohol-related offenses before turning 21, yet still didn't seem to understand how serious his situation had become. Defense counsel tried to highlight the positives. Tyler had maintained steady employment, wasn't testing positive for alcohol, and appeared to be making progress in some areas. His attorney admitted that perhaps he should have provided more guidance earlier in the process, but emphasized that Tyler was still young and capable of turning his life around. The judge listened patiently, but pushed back. He explained that simply avoiding alcohol